In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to write a YouTube script with Jasper AI. By the end, you'll know exactly where to click, what to type, and how to turn a simple idea into a ready-to-read script using Jasper's built-in workflow. Start by opening Jasper and heading to the home area. If you're looking at another tool or document within Jasper, use the left sidebar and click Home to make sure you're on the main dashboard. Home is important because it's where the quick assistant lives, so you can move from a blank page to a structured plan without hunting around. On the home screen, look for the Ask Anything box. This is the chat style field that lets you give Jasper a clear instruction in plain language. Click into that field to get ready to write your prompt. Strong prompts are short, specific, and give Jasper the key constraints you care about, like audience and time. Now type your prompt. For this walkthrough, enter exactly. Create a YouTube script outline for a 5-minute video on tips for first-time homebuyers. Including the length and audience helps Jasper shape the pacing and the level of detail. 5 minutes is long enough for a strong hook, 3 to 5 practical tips, and a quick call to action. So this prompt sets Jasper up to deliver a focused outline. Send your request by clicking Send or just pressing Enter. In a moment, Jasper will return a clean outline. You'll typically see a hook, an introduction that frames the topic, a sequence of beginner-friendly tips, and a brief wrap-up. If the outline matches what you want, click Use to accept it. This tells Jasper to carry that structure forward. Then click Generate Now. Jasper will expand the outline into a complete script that fits the 5-minute target, keeping each section tight and conversational. As the script appears, skim the flow. You should see clear transitions, a confident yet approachable tone for first-time homebuyers, and tips that feel actionable. If a line sounds generic, that's normal at this stage. The goal here is to produce a strong first draft in seconds so you can fine-tune phrasing later to match your voice. And that's the process. Open Jasper, confirm you're on home, use the Ask Anything field, type the precise prompt, send it, choose Use on the outline and click. Generate Now to produce a polished script quickly. Repeat the same approach for any topic by updating the subject and duration in your prompt. The clearer your instruction, the stronger Jasper's output will be.